Hey guys, welcome back to our vegan kitchen. We've got a lot going on today, but this is what I know for sure. We're having a delicious dinner tonight. It goes by many different names. Well, it's kind of the same name with different spellings. It's Khichri, 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 Khichri. I've seen so many different spellings and so many different variations of what goes into this recipe. I looked at a million recipes and I took all of the best parts from them and I put them together in one Frankenstein called Khichri.
We love a Frankenstein.
So this is it. It's Indian comfort food. This is what they feed to babies when they first start eating, for old people, if you're feeling sick, if you've got a hangover. But it's a Sunday food. It's Sunday comfort food before we got to get back to the grind on Monday. So it's very simple to do. I'm using a new piece of kitchen equipment today. This isn't the official video for it. I'm just going to learn with it today. I'm just trying it out. And it's a Khichri multi-cooker. It looks really nice.
It does. Right?
And it's very non-stick here. You guys know I'm not a fan of non-stick in the pressure cooker, but other than that, it's okay. So we're going to start off on saute, I think. So let's turn this to saute and start. Alright, we're going to saute our spices and our garlic and ginger first. So we're going to use a little bit of avocado oil. Don't worry, all of the ingredients and measurements are going to be in the bottom bar that I've used today. I'm going to do it for half the recipe in the bottom bar because I realized you guys don't want a huge batch of food.
We're making a lot.
We're making a lot because we eat big portions. We have long legs and take big steps. So we need to eat a lot of food, and this food typically doesn't have a lot of calories, so you have to eat a lot of it. So we have some turmeric, some cumin seeds, some garam masala, some curry powder, and some Himalayan sea salt. So as soon as the oil gets a little hotter, I'm going to add those, but we've also got some ginger and garlic over here, and I'm going to add the pepper later. I don't think we need to do that right now, but let's get started with these spices. It's going to be so fragrant up in here in just a few minutes. It's going to be amazing.
Oh yeah. You got the garlic in there.
We got the, no onion. We got the ginger in there. That's going to start to sizzle in a minute. While that's doing its thing, doesn't that smell amazing?
Yes.
I'm going to talk about what I've got in the pot over here. These are the grains. You can do this with any kind of lentils you want. I had red lentils, so that's what I'm going to be using today, but you can use yellow lentil, green lentil. I'm also doing quinoa, and I'm doing some basmati rice. So this is like a one-pot thing. Everything is in here. You don't have to do separate rice or anything because it's all in there already. Super simple. One container for work the next day. Just pop it in the microwave. It's all together. Alright, so this is smelling amazing. I'm going to drain off my grains and I'm going to add them next. Make sure you, if you don't soak these for half an hour like you're supposed to, make sure you at least rinse them off because quinoa is absolutely filthy. It's really filthy. We're going to get these in here and try and not slop it up.
Alright, that was a nice transfer.
Oh, it's not done yet. There we go. Oh, no.
Lost
Fail.
one. It's just like one.
Alright, well, you know quinoa just freaking goes all over.
Mm-hmm.
So we're just going to get that going. Let it heat up a little bit. We're also going to be adding a head of cauliflower. If you're doing the half recipe, obviously half a head of cauliflower. Don't make the pieces too small. They're going to get all mushy and like melt away to nothing. I've got an extra large sweet potato here that I've cut up. If you're doing the half recipe, one medium-sized sweet potato is the way to go. And final ingredient is going to be some green peas. If you're doing the half recipe. How simple was that?
Super simple.
right? So I'm just going to add my water. I'm going to put the lid on, and I'm going to let it come up to the boil, turn it down to simmer, and it's probably going to take about 45 minutes. Maybe we'll check it after half an hour. We'll see. All right, it's finally up to the boil. We're going to give it a stir and make sure it's covered. We're going to turn it down to the simmer. So I guess we simmer, start, and we're going to check it after half an hour. All right, half an hour was all this needed to be ready. Yes, Homer, I know. So easy. So I'm just going to let it sit in that until we're ready to eat. It's probably not going to be for another hour or so. It should keep it hot enough in there. And I think it's going to be pretty amazing. All right, here is Mark serving it up. It stayed really nice and warm in the slow cooker. And it was not too saucy, which I don't really like. It was nice and dry. It was kind of like a risotto. Whoa, look at this beautiful vat of Khichri that we have left over. Sean's got his lunch tomorrow. We've got some lunch tomorrow and maybe lunch the next day. And more. This is just so good though, and I really...
It was really easy to put together.
It was a dump.
It's our favorite kind of recipe.
But the thing is, I ran out of the house and I forgot to bring the cilantro and the lime. It would have been so much better with cilantro and lime, but we still enjoyed it even without.
Yeah, it was really good.
So I will definitely be making this again with whatever fresh vegetables we have on hand, because it's very customizable. You don't need to use cauliflower and sweet potato and such. You can just put whatever you have, even if it's not those vegetables. So I hope you guys make it. It's really delicious. Subscribe for more videos like this. Leave your suggestions in the comments, what you'd like to see, and we'll try and deliver for you. So until next time, much love.